It's early morning. You catch your reflection in the mirror. Your beard has grown 3 days, maybe more. You remember the days you dreaded shaving. Irritation, tugging, missed hairs, uncomfortable mornings. But today things are different. You reach for the Braun Series 9 Pro Plus, a shaver crafted for men who care. 5 Pro Shave elements working in perfect harmony. The ProLift blade gently lifts stubborn hairs. Sonic technology glides with 10,000 microvibrations. No matter your beard, 1, 3, or 7 days. Each stroke is effortless, smooth, and gentle. Synchrosonic technology reads and adapts to your beard. It gives extra power where you need it most. Even dense beards surrender to its precision. You slide out the precision ProTrimmer. Surgical-grade stainless steel. Steel. Sideburns, mustache, tricky under nose hairs, perfectly trimmed. You feel confident, every detail cared for. The shaver is 100% waterproof. Use it with foam, gel, or in the shower. No more limits, just pure comfort. The SmartCare Center stands ready. One touch and it cleans, lubricates, dries. Your shaver is always fresh, always sharp. You grab the power case as you pack. Up to 60 minutes of mobile charging. Business trip, weekend away, or daily commute. Your grooming routine travels with you. Made in Germany, built to last years. Titanium-coated, resistant to corrosion. A shaver that stands the test of time. You remember your first shave with Braun. How it felt. Smooth, comfortable, empowering. Now every morning feels like a fresh start. No more irritation, no more compromise. Just closeness, comfort, confidence. You smile at your reflection. You're ready for whatever the day brings. Movember to 2024. Take pride in your beard journey. Support men's health. Redefine your routine. Every shave is a moment of self-care. For the frequent traveler, never miss a beat. For the beard enthusiast, precision meets passion. For the man who values craftsmanship. Braun Series 9 Pro Plus is your trusted companion. Effortless closeness every single morning. Precision trimming even on the longest hairs. Long-lasting battery, mobile charging convenience. Premium design, ergonomic comfort in your hand. Advanced blade technology for ultimate skin comfort. SmartCare Center for daily hygiene and performance. Portable power case for travel-friendly grooming. Lifetime Sharp ProTrimmer for lasting results. Waterproof use for total flexibility. Replaceable foil and cleaning cartridges. Easy maintenance. Ideal for professional and frequent users. A shaver that fits your lifestyle. From home to hotel, always ready. A smooth shave even on a 7-day beard. No more missed hairs, no more discomfort. Just pure, effortless confidence. You deserve a grooming experience this good. You deserve the best in technology and care. Braun Series 9. A 9 Pro Plus, engineered for men like you. Make every morning a celebration of you. Feel the difference, see the results. Choose closeness, choose comfort. Choose Braun. Redefine your beard care routine today. Start your journey with Braun Series 9 Pro Plus now. Experience ultimate precision and lasting comfort. Let every shave be a moment of pride. Because you're worth it. Every single day. Braun Series 9 Pro Plus, the future of grooming. Ready for your next adventure wherever you go. Heartfelt confidence powered by Braun. Join the movement. Choose Braun. Shave with pride. Your best shave starts here. Discover Braun Series 9 Pro Plus.